Hi, and welcome to the demo video of Beesy on iPad. Beesy is synchronized with your professional calendars that you can edit directly in the application by changing, for example, the time and by saving. You can create your notes from your calendar by clicking on the event and then add further notes. Then you just need to add your topics in different orders depending on your meeting. If you make a mistake, you can click on an icon to add to or modify the content of your topics, or you can rearrange it with a simple drag and drop using 2 fingers. Then, you just need to add participants to your meeting by searching for an existing person in your Beesy, or by creating a new person, if, for example, you meet someone new during your meeting, by adding their email, last name, and first name. Adding an email address is important, as it's used to send meeting minutes directly to the person or to import them from your calendar. As your agenda and your participants are already configured, you simply have to enter different actions in Beesy. A task, for example, can be set by priority or by changing the end date, a deadline, or a web page in which you'll register a URL, here the BeesApps website, where you'll even be able to draw on the saved image to add further information. Or even an email, where you can use shortcuts to find a person or a project. You can edit the settings of your actions by clicking on the icon. Here you can modify the priority of an action or activate private mode, so the action doesn't appear in any exports. Reorganize your notes by dragging an action to a topic or a topic to an action. Then assign an action by either dragging the action to a person or a person to the action. Now that you've organized your note, your meeting minutes are ready to be sent by email. Here you can add any extra content you require. The participants of the meeting are already set as recipients of the meeting minutes. Feel free to add more people and choose the size of the images in your meeting minutes. Your meeting minutes are composed of all your actions and attachments and can be easily sent at the end of your meeting. To mark an action as complete in Beesy, you simply tap a cell like this and your action is complete. To track the progress of your actions, Beesy allows you to create a note from a previous note. Just change the name here and save it. Beesy automatically retrieves all the topics and participants of the previous note. You can go back and check the previously completed actions and then return to the current note. You can also add a new topic or add new actions to existing topics. You can change the dates of an action and change participants if necessary. Now your new meeting minutes are ready to be sent to all participants. Any actions entered during a note will be displayed on your dashboard. The matrix displays the current date by default. You can change this date by choosing a new date on the calendar. Tap on your calendar to display actions that are due on this day. You can add 2 further filters to the matrix. Overdues will show any overdue actions, and the 1 week filter will show all actions due during this week. You can set the matrix to a particular person to see any actions assigned to them for the period. To view the full details of an action, simply tap on it. By tapping on this icon, you can navigate to the meeting that the action was created in order to see the full context of the actions. You can directly mark an action as complete from your dashboard. To organize your notes and actions, Beesy provides you with a hierarchy of 2 levels. Goals, that you can create by adding their name and their priority, and projects. Which are directly attached to a goal. Once you've created your projects, you simply need to link your notes to them. This will allow you to find your actions directly under the project. Here we can see the information created during our note, as well as its history. You can apply a second level of filters and send the lot by email. You can send a report directly from this filter at any time. You can view all actions assigned to a user and apply a second level of filtering before sending a report. The generated report contains all the actions and attachments assigned to that person. Just enter their email address, add the content that you wish to send, and press send. You can also view all your actions by type of action, apply a second level of filtering, and generate an automatic export. Here, just enter the emails of any recipients and send your report. Beesy has multiple action types, each with their default settings. Any new actions created have the action type's default settings applied. To modify an action type settings, just tap on the icon on the left column, make any changes to the default text, and position in the matrix, and save it. Next time you create an action of this type, it will apply the new settings. Then you can add your desired content. The action bar at the bottom of the screen is customizable. To change the order of your actions, simply drag and drop them into the order you desire. You can also hide types of actions in order to simplify the action bar and to be able to enter information faster. Some features are configurable. The welcome screen allows you to have access to the Beesy Help Center, or you can protect your Beesy with a PIN code. The default goal can be shown or hidden as you desire. You can choose to display only to-do actions or all actions. You can also connect your Beesy iPad with our online Beesy service platform. Beesy has a smart audio recording feature to record up to 2 minutes of past audio. Here, you can choose your maximum recording time. You can use an external keyboard to take notes with Beesy. Enable this option to change your input device. By activating this setting, a note's participants will automatically be added to your meeting minutes. Beesy also allows you to create your own business signature. To do this, enable the signature and then create your own. When you export by email, your signature will be at the bottom of the export. If you enable this feature, Beesy will display a summary of the report at the top of every export. You can set the calendars you want to display on your dashboard to customize the business events that interest you. Synchronizing your actions with iOS reminders is simple. Just go into the Action tab and enable reminders. Now each new action will be automatically synchronized with a reminder application, allowing you to find this action on your mobile phone. You can update your actions in reminders, and the updates will automatically push to Beesy. Beesy allows you to import a document from any application. The document will be directly inserted into one of your notes. Just select the topic and save. Once the document appears, you can view it in full screen and add any comments in the margins of the document. The document and any comments will appear in your meeting minutes. You can synchronize Beesy on your iPad with our online platform to back up and share your actions. Open the Connect to your account option in Settings. Check the email address is accurate, which can be set in your person. enter your password, and synchronize. Once you've connected to the online platform, you can see any actions that others have assigned to you by their green background. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using Beesy.